Hi, my name is Marion Brand from Brand Fitness, and I have a short kettlebell workout for you. I'll be using a 25-pound kettlebell, so there's different sizes. If you're brand new, maybe start with a 15. If that seems too heavy, then start with a 10. But for now, I'm going to use a 25-pound. We are going to do exercises. They're just basic exercises using the kettlebell as a tool, not necessarily all proper kettlebell exercises. We will be doing a kettlebell swing though. So let's get started. We're going to start with 40 seconds on the clock with a 10-second rest. Our first exercise will be a kettlebell swing. You will want to be warmed up before, so make sure you warm up, do something before you start. And we're gonna get, so when I'm talking, you can start warming up. So anyway, let's get started. I've got 3 seconds on the clock, starting with the kettlebell swing. So we're gonna hinge at the hip and swing up. So the kettlebell swing is a hip hinge. It is not a squat. And I'll show you from the side view. We are here. So you're gonna hip hinge and then lift. So it's momentum, and make sure you're breathing. And glutes and hamstrings are doing the work. Breathing. If this hurts your back, you're not doing it properly, or you've got a back issue, just go to a plie squat. Do not risk it. And we've got 5 seconds left. So breathing. Breathe. And looking good. We're going to go into a overhead press with a squat. So we're going to be squatting down and then lifting overhead, and let's go. Squat, lift, and then down, and breathing, and down. So my heart rate's starting to go up. And from the side view, we are here, squatting down, lift overhead, squatting down, and overhead. You always want to make sure you keep those shoulders down. You don't want your shoulders up by your ears. Coming down and lift. Down. Breathing, 2, 1. Going to our next exercise. We're going to do a bent over row. So just hinge at the hip, bum is out, chest is out, and we're going to lift up the kettlebell. You're going to row with your back. So lift and lower down. Breathing. Lift. So you want to feel that upper back right where your shoulder blades are, squeezing and then lowering down. And breathing. Keep going. And go. Almost there. 10 seconds. Breathe. And breathe. Keep going. 3 seconds, 2, 1, switching, other side. So we're gonna turn, coming down. Make sure you set up, chest out, shoulders back, bum is out, core is engaged. And let's go. Squeeze, lower down. Keep your neck straight. Breathe. Rowing is great, good for your posture. Keeps those shoulders back. Keep that chest out. Breathe, still going, and breathing, and breathing. Almost there, you've got 15 seconds left. How you doing? Breathe. Almost done. Good, awesome. Then I'm going to do a lunge. So I'm going to do a lunge back, a little bit easier with a twist. So we're here. I'm going to lunge backwards and then twist towards the leg that's forward. Lunge, twist, center, come back up. Lunge, hold. So lots of stability here, balance, and I feel my legs. I feel my glutes, I feel my core, breathing down, and as you can tell, my heart rate's up, down, and again, breathe, twist, and you are done that round, so take a break. So good job. So you want to do 2, 3 sets, maybe even 4. My heart rate's up. I would rest in between sets, and then put in comments below how you're feeling, if you have any questions, and hope to see you in the next video. If you like the video, please subscribe, like us, and we will see you later. Thanks.